Hi, I'm gonna go ahead and do the lava lamp experiment. I did send you an email that I have COVID. My husband is gonna help me with this. I hope that's okay, because I really don't feel good, but we're gonna start. Let me record him.
Yeah, so
Is it in the frame?
yes.
Okay, so first you're gonna add about a quarter of the ways with water. That should be good, yeah. And then you're gonna fill it up with the vegetable oil, but you're gonna leave some space at the top there. And now the oil is going to sit on top of the water because the water is more dense than the oil, meaning it's heavier. I hope you can hear me. I'll explain it again after. The protector. Okay. Careful.
Sailing.
Keep going. That should be good. Yeah. All right. So the oil's sitting on top because the water is more dense, meaning it's heavier. Next, we're gonna add food coloring. Let's do blue. I like blue.
So blue.
Is that blue enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How does this work? Do you gotta cut the tip first?
No,
Twist
pull
it.
it off. Just pull it off.
Okay.
Yeah. Hold on, babe.
Can you feed the cats?
Yeah, that's fine.
Just one drop?
You do, no, do more. As much as you want. Do. Okay.
Alright.
And then we're gonna put the Alka-Seltzer in. And you can break it up, and then put it in. So break it into two.
Probably should have opened all this stuff before we
That's okay.
So put both of these in there? It feels like it's
Just do one.
two in the pack.
We can add more if you want.
Okay. So you should break it up?
You can break it in half, yeah. Put it in. Now the Alka-Seltzer is gonna react with the water and create carbon dioxide, which creates the bubbles and allows the water to go into the oil, and it creates that really cool lava lamp effect. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. I would if I didn't have COVID. You can do it with the kids after. It's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and explain it again. Just in case you didn't hear me. So from the beginning, we added the water, and the oil floats on the surface because water is denser than the oil. The Alka-Seltzer tablet reacts with the water and creates tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide. Um, these bubbles attach themselves to the blobs of the colored water, and it causes them to float to the surface. When enough bubbles pop, the water and remaining gas becomes denser than the oil, so that water then sinks down through the oil and joins the rest of the water down at the bottom, and then changes in density as gas is added. It changes in density as gas is added to or taken away from water, cause it to float up and sink down through the oil, and that creates that really cool lava lamp experience. And it was really pretty. I enjoyed that. Thank you so much.